Welcome to this tutorial. Today let us see how to just do a small operation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a very useful application which can be used for a variety of purposes, especially if you want to conduct a quiz. How can we do it? That's what we are just going to explore today. The application is open and we need a welcome page. So I have just preset some pages to save the time. Welcome slide. Okay, we can have a slide like this, design it appropriately, insert in pictures, GIF. So the first question here is, where is the world's most lengthiest, there's a grammatical error. Okay, I can have the first question here, where is the world's lengthiest glass bridge located? The question is about the lengthiest glass bridge and its location. So we have the options here: China, India, Vietnam, London. So in a quiz, interactive quiz like this, we need not only the question page, but we need a page like this, a try again, an error page, a page that shows that the answer, the response given by the student was wrong. And also we need a page of excellence, a page showing excellent. So these two pages are integral to this, and we need to just give the link from each answer. Each response can be linked to these pages. So out of these four questions, there will be only one answer correct. So the world's lengthiest glass bridge is located in Vietnam actually. So we will just click on Vietnam here and click on that line, border line. You can see that dotted line changing to a straight line. So there you can click and go to hyperlink, and when you go to hyperlink you can click place in this document. So we are going to give the link to another slide, which is the slide which shows excellent as the answer. So that slide happens to be here. You can see number 5. So here you can click number 5 and give the link. So I have given from the question page Vietnam as the correct answer. So from Vietnam the link is going to the fifth slide. Okay, so when students click on Vietnam, automatically the slide will make the transition to this page, fifth page, excellent. And then similarly you have to give the link from China. From China you have to give the link same way. Click on this, and when the dotted line becomes a straight line, you can have right click and click on hyperlink, and then go to slide number 4, which is showing wrong, which is showing an error message. So here you have to click OK. And then from India also you have to do the same. Click on hyperlink and then go to slide number 4. That speaks about try again. London also is a wrong answer, so you have to click on this and give the hyperlink to slide number 4. Okay, so all the links are now given. Let's check whether this works or not. So this actually we have opened it in editing mode. You have to start the slideshow. To begin the slideshow, you show tab, and then from beginning you can click. So you can see first is the welcome slide, and then you get the question page. Where is the world's lengthiest glass bridge located? So naturally students will just go for China, because China is very famous for this, and you can click. You will get a response like this, and then here you can click go back. Okay, now let's give that link which was missing. So here you can click go back to questions. If this cannot be seen properly, you can press Control A and change the font color. You can change it to black so that the contrast will be high and it will be noted. So from here you can click again on the square, and then you can click on this box, and then again give edit hyperlink. It says edit because I have copied from other pages. So you can go to edit hyperlink, no problem, place in this document, and then where we need to go, we have to go back to the question. So the second slide is showing the question, so you can click OK. Now this will work. Again same case with excellent page. Go back to question, you have to click once again, right click, edit hyperlink, and place in this document, and go to the question page. Now this will come, it will work like a loop, continually it will work. So let us begin, let us do that slideshow once again from the beginning. Okay, here's the welcome page, and here we get the question, and here the students will just click on the different answers. Okay, India, they will get this response, then go back. That was the wrong answer, so they will go and click on another one, that is Vietnam. So again, once again they can go back to questions. So this way a slide will be created, a question and its answers are all located. Okay, in order to make the quiz more exciting, we can have pictures, we can have videos. So here this question was connected with the glass bridge. We can show some videos connected with glass bridges, people struggling on that, etc., to make the quiz interesting. So for that you can insert one, you can go to insert tab, and then you can go to this new slide. You can see in the corner, yes, left upper corner, you can see new slide, and click on the blank slide. So here we are going to insert a video. So to insert a video, again you have to go back to insert, and here in the very extreme end, here you can see video. So click on that small arrow, down arrow, and then online video on my PC. Click on video on my PC, and then go to that video that is saved in your computer, and click insert. Now what happens here is that whole video is inserted here. We can make some needed arrangements to make it full page. Okay, just stretch it a bit here and there and adjust the size, so it is adjusted here and then inserted. Now we can even give some text. You can go to insert and then add text box, and here you can just have a text box here. Just to bring it forward, you can click like this and bring front. Now here you can type whatever you like. This will be displayed. Bridge experience, just something like that. You can just type and change the font color to yellow so that the contrast will be high, and make it bold, and then increase the font size in between. I'm just showing how to edit the text this way, and okay, and make the video somewhat in the center. Okay, now if I just play it, you can see that
我的妈，我好怕呀！
你干嘛？你的手在发抖啊？
Whatever you would like to add to spice it up, you can do that. You can have music and many things. Here we can go back to the question page and type a link. You can create a link here. Go to insert and then take text box and have a box here. See a video. You can just type see a video and make it visible. Okay, and then if students are doing this slide themselves, if they are interacting with the slide themselves, they can see the video. We'll give the same way. Click hyperlink and then go to that video page. It is slide 3. Slide 3. So that is also done. So let's see the quiz from the beginning. Slideshow from the beginning. So this is the welcome page, and then the question. Here China, all these are there. See a video. You can just click on that, and you will get this page, and then click inside the video. Okay, now one last thing. We have made the video this way. So if you want the slide to be opening directly, we can save it in a different format. Just go to File, Save As, you can click and choose the location where you want to save, and then just here we can give the file name. Okay, here quiz, just to identify it properly, quiz about bridge. Okay, and just giving a title. Just below that you can see PowerPoint presentation. Click on that arrow and then go to another one, PowerPoint show. If you click PowerPoint show, what will happen is, and save it, what will happen is the file will be saved in a slightly different format. You can see the difference between these two. This is a normal file that is made, this is the PowerPoint show file. So when I click on this, you can directly see the file directly opening. Video will be there and answer will be there, and that's it. Thank you.